Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. I started some sweet chili from seeds and today we're going to transplant one of them into pots. They're still very small, but I'm transplanting them now because they too close to each other. So I will take one of them, put it in separate pot, then I will show you the progress and how to look after this chili to get the best results possible from growing it in a pot. So let's start. So these are the chilies. I will take one of them. I will make sure that it's still intact. Then I will plant it in here. And I will water gently. Now this is the chili after 3 weeks. It's growing really well. New growth happening every day, and it looks very healthy. I watered every day. As in pot, it needs a bit of water every day to keep the soil moist around the roots, as the space of the root is much smaller than the chilies we grow in the ground. Now, this is the chilies after 7 weeks. New fruits. It's around 6 centimeter now, the fruits. Now, the trick of getting this to really produce a lot is to prune it. And I'm going to show you now how to prune it. I'm going to use this scissor. It's very clean, and I want to start with removing all the leaves from the bottom upwards. So I'm going to remove them nicely and until the first fruit. From now on, I'm not going to prune anything. So that's the way to prune it. I put these two small sticks to support it, because sometimes it gets windy, and later on this will go taller. So I might put another one, that's another cane that's taller to support the top. But as you can see, there's plenty of flowers and plenty of fruits growing, and this will triple and maybe 10 times more. It will keep growing for the next few weeks. Of course, I'm going to show you the results in the next couple of weeks. In regard to watering this chili, I'm watering every day with small amount of water, around half a liter of water for this pot, as it's really now start getting hot and dry. So half a liter of water every day, and every week I'm feeding the chili with seaweed solution. I'm adding 7 milliliter of seaweed concentrate to a liter of water, and every week I will water with around 200 mil. I'm watering, but not to the point of overflow, and I'm going to do this on weekly basis. And again, watering every day with almost half a liter of water. Chili progressing, start ripening. It's turning to red gradually, starting from the bottom. The colors are amazing, and it's loaded. The chilies in the pot, growing really well. The colors amazing. The older fruits getting ripened and changing colors. This is an amazing color for chili, and it's all growing in pot using only Epsom salt and seaweed solution to feed this every month. Seaweed solution only every week. That's an amazing results. For one chili plant in a pot, plenty of fruit and very healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my videos. I really appreciate it. The support is immeasurable and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.